Welcome, this is Tracy with QuickBooks from the Top, and we are going over statements and estimates. A statement, simply put, is the status of a customer's account at a particular point in time. A statement is not a transaction. Each line item on a statement represents a sales, a credit, payments, and a period of that statement. We are also going over estimates, which is a non-posting account, but you can post it through an invoice. First thing you want to do is go to your dashboard, and you will select on the left navigation pane Sales. You will then go into the Customer Center and select the customer. In this case, we're going to use Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and we're going to go over to the right where it says New Transactions and select Statement. In a statement, you can use a statement type, which is a balance forward or an open item or a transaction statement, and you will select the date that you want to run the statement. The first statement on the left is a balance forward statement. So as of 11/8, the balance forward was 459, and then it shows all the transactions that's happened after. The one in the middle is actually just an open invoice, and the one on the right shows a period of time that these transactions, say November, have populated. So we've got an invoice on 11/10 for 108. All three of these can be printed or emailed. So the first one, you can just hit the print button and select that, or you can go over and say send statement. In here you can put your own information and say, Dear Amy, thank you for your business, or there is a default message. Next, we want to still stay in the customer, but we're going to go over to the new transactions to the right and select estimate. When you select estimate, it gives you an option. Most of the time when you're doing an estimate, it's going to be pending, but there's accepted, closed, and rejected. So you can keep the information still in the system if it was rejected in case they want to accept it in the future. So you want to make sure that you fill in the expiration date. You can also put a crew number. This is a customized portion on the estimate form. And then you select your items. Towards the bottom, you can leave a message when you could start the work. And in the middle, we could make it reoccurring, customize it, and print. I also want to show you at the bottom that you can add attachments. So say you are a landscaper, you want to send the design. You can go ahead and attach that when you send it via email. They can open it up. Now you can see in the customer that they have an estimate type that's pending, and you could create an invoice or print or send again. In this case, we want to create the invoice. Up at the top left is where it changes to an invoice. It closes out the estimate. Unless you're only going to sell them one or two item off this, then it will still leave open the other items on the estimate. But now it's turned the whole estimate into an invoice and put a status of closed. Thank you again for attending. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at quickbooksfromthetop@gmail.com. If you'd like to make an appointment on getting started with QuickBooks Online, you can also give me a call. And my number is on my website along with my email. Thank you again for watching.